Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the IceRiver RX0 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. Open the box. Inside the box is an IceRiver RX0 miner. Take out all the accessories, which are the PSU and the power cable. The net weight is approximately 2.25 kilograms and gross weight about 3.45 kilograms. IceRiver RX0 supports the SHA-512256D algorithm, allowing you to mine RXD cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 260 GH/s. Its power consumption is 100 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 271 GH/s, the power consumption is around 107 watt, and the noise level is approximately 39 decibels. Both the power consumption and the quiet operation are excellent. The miner is cooled by an external heatsink that covers the entire body, and the temperature of the exterior can reach over 60 degrees Celsius after continuous operation, making it impossible to hold it with bare hands. The cooling efficiency can be improved by adding a cooling fan to the reserved cooling fan position. It is also possible to add a customized exclusive housing and 2 fans for cooling. How to set up the mining machine to make it work properly? Open the official website of Glacier, click on the batch management tool, click on the download, open the software, detect the IP to find the mining machine we are now connected to. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. The mining machine will run for about 10 minutes, and the background of the mining machine will display various parameters, including arithmetic power, working temperature, and the background of the mining pool will display the status of the online mining machine and revenue. How to get mining address to mine RXD cryptocurrency? Recommended to use Humpool Mining Pool. Open the URL, select RXD cryptocurrency, click on the miner management, get mining address. How to get the wallet address? We recommend using the XT exchange where RXD spot trading is available at www.xt.com. Register and find the RXD wallet address in the deposit. Based on a RXD price of $0.000918 and a mining difficulty of 616.29 pH on October 11, 2024, the daily earnings of IceRiver RX0 miner are approximately 89 cents. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the IceRiver RX0 260G miner is a simple design, low power consumption and silent miner. Its appearance is consistent with the IceRiver AL0 miner and KS0 Ultra miner, and it is the newest member of IceRiver Home Silent Miners. The 260 GH/s arithmetic power is only 100 watt. This miner supports RXD mining, and it can be adapted to mining in home, company, and other environments. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.